Hey guys, this is my MLE XTM and today I'm going to do some resto mod on this. I'm going to take out all the panels on this bike and I've got some goodies up there that I'm going to put on. I'm going to put new lights, new front lights, I'm going to repaint the entire bike. So let's see, let's start it. So from what it was then, this is what it is now. I removed all those bits, the coverings, the headlight, the front mud guards, the cover for the forks. This is the side cover. That's the cover for the tank, the tail, and the seat. All they've been removed. The seat you will get a wrap soon. And yeah, all this is off. All this is gonna get painted next week maybe, or this week, I'm not sure. And then I got all these parts here which I'm going to show you very quickly so you get an idea of what I'm doing. This is the new headlight. So you can see here, yeah, so this is the new headlight, and what happens is it'll go like that. Yeah, okay, so new headlight. I've got a new meter cluster. So the old cluster was there, but I thought, why not spruce it up? There's a new cluster which will go somewhere around there. It's nice. Okay, I've got some harness to do there. I've got the new tail, which is shorter than the other one. As you can see there, this is way shorter. It'll come something like that. Be nice. What else I've got? Goodies. I've got this, which are the new signal lights. They're metal and black to match the front headlight. And I've got this, comes with a switch there, and these are the headlights for the front. So the idea is I'm going to make this the blowpipe run ready. I want to do the Borneo run, and I figured I need lights, I need new livery on this. I'm going to paint it new livery, and I'm going to get new panniers there. I'll do a DIY style. And yeah, this will be my project. I'm going to do this up for the Borneo blowpipe run. Stay tuned. And after all that, this is what I'm left with. Lots of panel parts. I can't wait to paint all this, and it's going to look awesome. Sick.